Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is something that I get asked from time to time. People have seen that in the past or on certain browsers. I often have the Google page dark, like this. And of course, Google's white and the dark theme is applied to it. This works with every browser. If you go onto the Google search page at google.com, you will see that at the bottom right there's something called settings. If you click here, there's a default on-off switch for the Google page. Simply toggle the dark theme on if you want it dark, or just leave it alone, or turn it off if you want to have the standard white page with the colored Google logo. This works on every single browser that you will have Google as a search page. For example, that was Firefox. Here's on Edge, same settings page, dark theme or light theme with colored Google logo. It works on every single browser that you can try. So Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Brave. Everyone's gonna every browser you use is gonna work with that. So it's simple as that, and you can actually enjoy, especially at night. It's kind of very, very, bright sometimes when you have the white Google page, and by having it in the dark mode, well, it's kind of easier on the eyes sometimes. And for some people, maybe the contrast is better also, because we don't talk a lot about it, but sometimes people with certain disabilities, or maybe high problems as you get older, sometimes having more contrast helps in better reading. So that's how you do it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.